Tornado warning, WSLS-10. The National Weather Service has canceled a tornado warning for Nelson County. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Stonewall, or over Concord, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Download our 10 news weather apps to your Apple and Android devices. If you live in areas affected by a tornado warning, take cover. News says to move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. As a reminder, a tornado watch means that forecasted conditions favor tornado development. More urgent than that is a tornado warning, which means that a tornado is happening or is expected soon. Copyright 2021 by WSLS-10, all rights reserved. Copyright 2021 by WSLS-10, all rights reserved.